So I'm trying to shoot with this camera. You can see this lens is not opening actually. The shutter is basically not opening here. I'm manually opening the shutter. It's a very depressing day. I'm sorry guys, I was trying to be regular. This is the only camera I have. Nothing should happen to my camera. That's the main thing. My GoPro is also not in a condition to open. You can hear this sound. The shutter is not opening and shutting on its own. So I'm just guessing this footage. I hope it comes. This is beyond repair now. I have already spent 8,000 on the chassis. Before that, when it fell in gutter during my whiteout ride, I had spent 20,000 on it, and it was already of 35,000 that time. So I've spent a lot on this camera. Doesn't make sense. I don't know, maybe it's a sign that I should get a new camera, but you know, I am not in a situation to buy because all my budgets are planned for something else. My friends are calling now. Yo, what's up? Arey yaar, it just slipped off my hand, and you know what, the display was open and it just crashed yaar. Okay, so I don't know, I'm manually adjusting the shutter. What I'll do is I'll put a sellotape on it. I don't know if I'm coming inverted or no idea. Forget it. I think I'll move on with the vlog. Oh shit, now मैं पीछे से तो देख भी नहीं पाऊंगा because it can't flip behind. Okay, let's focus. मैं सब कुछ like I've forgotten everything. जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा, right? The first question is from Rudranath, alright, from my previous video. Says, what about the certification of jackets like CE certified, CE approved? Please mention about it. Well guys, the previous video which I did about jackets was actually choosing the right jacket. It's for people who are thinking, I don't want people to take a touring jacket when they are only gonna do city rides and breakfast rides. That's what the message was, choosing the right selection of the jacket. It was not about which jacket to buy. For that, plenty of reviews will come on this channel, with brands. I'm sure that's gonna happen. Okay, so Hari Prasad says, hey, unbox your presents. Okay, so I did get 2 gifts. In fact, I got a cake also from my friend, and today itself, by the way, this camera crashed because I was excited. I got to know there's a parcel for me. It was a surprise. So I ran with the camera and it fell from my pocket, and that was a big problem. Anyways, अभी मैं इस vlog में I will not talk about my camera because the more I talk, I get distracted from my vlog. Okay, so let's not talk about my broken camera right now. Let's focus on the video. I have received 2 t-shirts which I will show you all. I'm wearing my brand new t-shirt. You guys were concerned. This is by Wranglers and by my friend. The fit is so good. This is a medium size and looks cool. Seriously, it's so light. It's such a nice summer t-shirt. I really liked it, and thank you so much, my bestie who sent me this. So guys, you won't believe, the person who has given me this t-shirt right now is actually doing live chat because that friend of mine wanted to see how I look in it. So interface हो रहा है. Down there is phone, live session on, and you guys on vlog. This is Jack and Jones. This print is super cool because it says ride or die. So I really like this fit also. This is a bit tighter compared to the Wrangler one which I tried, so I thought I'll show you guys. And ठीक है, more I'm vlogging, my mood is getting a bit better because of this camera. And by the way, this shoot is on this camera only, but I can't flip the screen anymore, so I'm guessing that I'm in the frame. इतना तो experience हो गया है. Family gifted me My Protein Whey Isolate, and they also gifted me a multivitamin kit. Now that is gonna come after 1 week. The problem with My Protein is they don't give you an exact date when the shipment will reach your house. They just let you know it will come in 7 days, considering the COVID situation. So keeping fingers crossed, I hope I receive that, and I will definitely show that in the vlog. Let's start today's vlog, try to cheer things up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raj, and today we're gonna talk about motorcycle handlebar grip. Okay, so wearing my magic hat on, we have problem is not seeing yourself, and shooting is tough now. I have a habit now to see the frame, where I'm standing. Am I able to show the product properly? I can't see anything like that. Anyways, I'm doing today's video with guesswork, so please cooperate with me. So this brown color grip is actually sealed from here, as you can see. It looks really old school and retro. This is not from India. I think this is from Bangor. This is a very old grip lying with me. This is what I've called from Amazon. The link will be in the description. I'm not endorsing this. I purchased this product, so I'm just letting you guys know. If you compare the rubber quality, yes, This one, the black one, is a bit thinner compared to the brown one which I have, which is much thicker. So the grips provided on Interceptor are a bit hard. I'm sure everyone who owns Interceptor and GT will know they are hard and they kind of hurt you. But I always wear gloves when I'm riding motorcycles. Even if I'm doing a basic cafe to cafe run, I do wear gloves. Lately, due to COVID situation, I'm not wearing gloves because it's easy to sanitize your hands frequently, and that's why I'm not wearing my gloves. So kind of found out that the grips really hurt you if you go for a long ride. Also, because I have a bit of aggressive position of my handlebar now, I put a bit of pressure on holding the bars a little strong, and that's why I find them a little hard. So these rubber grips will act like cushion, but they are waterproof also because they are silicone rubber, which is really nice. They are softer, so they will give me a little bit comfort while riding. If you see any of the Royal Enfield motorcycles, even if it's 10 years old or 20 years old, the bike might junk, but the grips remain strong. That's the best part about the grips, and that's why they are hard. They last really, really long. So actually, I don't like to cut the original ones, but somehow they are hard, and for me, there are plenty of products available in the market, so I am doing this. Abhideep is down just to see the grips, okay? And I have a gift for Abhideep. He doesn't know about. What's up? How are you doing? I'm vlogging, and अब ये कैमरा की स्क्रीन सीधी नहीं हो सकती, परमानेंटली डैमेज्ड. हाँ, बंद नहीं हो सकता है कैमरा. हाँ, ये पीछे से. हाँ, these are original grips. As you can see, they are a bit hard. Removed his grip a bit from the throttle body. That's the throttle body, and we're gonna put WD-40. Do is now I'm gonna put this screwdriver here. You can see that easily went in. Aha! So our main motive was to remove this without breaking it, and we got it. And the mechanic clearly told me that you'll need a cutter, you'll have to cut this, but we got it out just by WD-40. So guys, just put WD-40, struggle a bit, and it's out. And this is where my bar end actually comes. Say half a centimeter shorter than the original ones. I did compare it neck to neck, and I did find it shorter. It all depends. This is a custom handlebar, so I have managed to fit it. But so the throttle body can be seen here. You can see that very clearly. So think about it. Coming on the other side, okay, and feels nice. The grip feels really nice compared to this. It's a little cushiony. Okay, so Friday we are riding this bike for a longer ride, and I'm picking one more motorcycle for kind of a review, so stay tuned for that. Hope it doesn't rain that day. If it rains, then we'll shift the date, but if it doesn't rain, we'll pick the bike up and we will review the bike. Obviously the bike will stay with me for 2-3 days. That time when I'm motor vlogging, I will talk about the grips, how they are performing. The silicone rubber quality is really nice. I pulled it, and now my throttle body is also covered, so the size is fine now. You can see that. You just need to make sure you pull it right, like this. Don't need to heat it. Some people would heat it and do it. There you go. Check it out. Yeah. Now you can see very clearly. So I like this. This is good. Totally smooth. Drive हो गया हो. I could not believe that even grips can make so much of difference for your ride experience. Abhideep, give it a try. But the grips make a lot of difference, right? Yeah. It's softer, right? Like that, and the look also looks like this. Oh, it's raining. Aaja. Okay, he's gone to the car now. वहाँ पे येलो और ब्लैक कलर का बॉक्स रहेगा. हाँ, How's that? That's your gift, bro. तूने ही कहा था ना तेरे को ओराज़ो बूट्स बहुत पसंद है राइडिंग सेफ्टी के, एंड तेरा ही साइज है. थोड़ा क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, दुकान में डब्बे में पैक्ड पड़ा था. वाह, बर्थडे मेरा, गिफ्ट किसी और को मिल रहा है. क्या बात है, क्या बात है भाई. पहन के भी तो दिखा सकता है ना, ऐसे ट्राई तो कर सकता है. आई होप तेरा साइज हो, तूने यही साइज बोला. 8 नंबर वही लाया हूँ मैं अभी. ओह, न्यू बूट्स, क्या बात है. सो इनिशियली ऑल्सो अभिदीप विद हिज फर्स्ट पे फ्रॉम आवर टीम वर्क, he got Woodland boots which are fabulous, and I had told him to buy those. And how are the Woodland ones? Awesome, right? Yeah. Uske baad he saw these, because I also wear Orazo sometimes in my ride plans, and he saw, he's like, yeah, I really like these boots because they're safety and tough and everything. And there he has brand new boots. Yao, happy?
Yeah, very happy.
The advantage is the brown one is perfect for this. The only problem with the brown one is it's camel skin brown. I wanted darker brown, so they sent me a wrong one. The brown one is not from Amazon. They were actually imported from Hong Kong long back. They're lying with me since nearly 6-8 months. They will fit perfectly fine right now because the end part is covered. You can cut it how much you want. So I would recommend get with the end part, not the hollow ones. The hollow ones could be shorter for your motorcycle. Hope you like this video, and as usual, stay tuned for my next one.